Hello everybody. It is Jackie from Pocket of Preschool, and I wanted to show you the Space Math and Literacy Centers unit. Each activity comes with a teacher page to help you do the activity with differentiation activities, as well as a photo of the activity in action, labels, and then it has 2 fine motor activities. So the fine motor activities for this one are a name cutting craft. So they're going to cut out the shapes and they can write their name on it, or you can just have them cut the shapes out and they can make a rocket. And then we have these types of lines and shapes. So they can trace and create those with dry erase markers, or they can trace with a little eyeball, or use like a mini eraser or manipulative. It also comes with a writing center. It has lowercase and uppercase vocabulary cards. It comes with 3 different types of paper: lined, dotted line, half page, and full page that are blank. And then I typically use the half page in my classroom. You can also put the types of line pages or any of the handwriting pages in the writing center as well. And then just, again, add the vocabulary cards, some stickers. I like to add sometimes some different ways for them to practice writing. So this is just foil and a dry erase marker, so they can make the words, or they can make letters, whatever they want. Just a different fun way to write. It also comes with an emergent reader, and then it has 6 literacy activities. So the first literacy activity is this letter and sound rocket. And again, there's 3 different worksheets that come with it. Now you can use the beginning sound cards or not, totally up to you. You can also just have them make like a little letter rocket, or they can do the beginning sound. You can put out all the rockets or just like 5 or 6 letters. Again, totally up to you, and you know your students, so do what works for them. And then we have this letter search. So this one you can use as a letter dot it, the black and white copy, or it comes with a color copy as well. I just put the letter cards on a cookie sheet because it's like a spacey silver with some star beads, and then it does come with 2 worksheets as well. Again, a fun way to practice lowercase, uppercase, or there is one with uppercase and lowercase. And then we have this read, build, write. So you can do letters or sight words. These little space letters are also great for like a writing trait. That's just some like fish tank gravel, but it looks very spacey. So that's really fun. And then these are some letter cards. So you could put that sheet in the writing table if you want, or this whole activity. But they are tracing the letters to practice that letter formation. And then we have animals on the moon. So they count the number of syllables in each animal and place them on the moon. And the final literacy activity we have are these rhyme rockets. It's always fun to add them in a little sensory tub, or you can also do these in a pocket chart. And then it has 8 math activities. So the first math activity is this count and build. So they identify the number and then count that many. You can also add a dice with this. So they roll the dice and then identify it and count the tower that big. And then we have the 1 through 6 board, and then we have a -1. So they'd roll the dice and then subtract 1, roll the dice, add 1, and then they would roll 2 dice. So many ways to differentiate that game. We have some 2D shaped clip cards. These are just little alien, little space, little guys. And again, it comes with a worksheet. We also have a space patterns activity. So they are going to extend the pattern, or they could create their own. And it does come with little space cards, objects. And then we have this alien measure. So a fun non-standard measurement activity. It comes with these moon rulers. So they can count how many moons big it is, or they can count with some cubes. Totally up to you. Then we have some number puzzles. The first one's differentiated, so you can do 1 to 5, 1 to 10. It also has teen numbers, and then it has some 10 frames as well. And then, like the letter rockets, we have number rocket. So they identify the number. There's a 10 frame, a domino, and the numeral. And then worksheets to match. And then this one is a planet count or add. So they pick a line card and a dot card, and they make that many spaces on the planet. I just use these sparkly pipe cleaners and some pom-poms. And then again, it does come with worksheets as well. And then this fun, I feel like a 10 frame is always amazing. 10 frame mat. So they count how many aliens, or they can count the dice and then build that 10 frame. And it comes with numbers 1 to 20. So if you want to grab this space unit, again, it has a writing center, 2 fine motor, 6 literacy, and 8 math unit, or 8 math centers. So if you want to grab it, grab the link at the top.